Question 5 is on equal and equivalent sets. We will define equal sets. Two sets, P and Q, are equal sets written as P equals Q if they have exactly the same members. Each member of P are in Q and each element of Q are in P. The order of the elements in the set is not important. Before you start work on these questions, remove any repeated elements as we discussed previously. For example, if set A had 1, 2, 2, 3, we write that as A equals 1, 2, and 3. We delete the second number 2. We'll do an example now. List the elements of the following sets and show that P doesn't equal Q and Q equals R. So let's list the elements first. Set P is the positive integers where 5x is less than or equal to 15. So x would have to be 1, 2, and 3 with a cardinal number of 3. Set Q, x such that x is a positive integer and x squared is less than 25. So x would have to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. We don't include 5 because this needs to be less than 25. So the cardinal number of Q is 4. Set R, write the elements, positive integers, and x is less than or equal to 4. So that would be 1, 2, and 3, and 4. The cardinal number is going to be 4 again. Okay, so show that P doesn't equal Q. Well, that's correct because this is 1, 2, and 3, but this has 4 in it. So P doesn't equal Q. Show that Q equals R, these two. And they are exactly the same, 1, 2, 3, 4. R has 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say that Q equals R. We'll define equivalent sets. Two sets are equivalent if they have the same number of elements. The key here is same number. Equivalence is shown using the arrow, which has a double head on it. As an example, R sets F equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and G equals 10, 12, 18, 20, 22 equivalent. We can see that they are not equal, okay, because they have different elements. So you could start by saying that F doesn't equal G. But look at the cardinal number of F. Cardinal number is 5. And the cardinal number of G is also 5. As they have the same cardinal number, we can say that they're equivalent. So we could write F arrow G. They're equivalent sets. But they are not equal sets.